everyone, this is me, Ifzaal, and today we welcome you to our Built with AI Hackathon workshop. Today we are going to talk about something really cool, which is retrieval augmented generation, that is RAG. So let's dive into it and explore that what is RAG. So basically, RAG is a combination of power retrieval system and language model like Llama or GPT. So let's break it down and imagine that you have a superhero team which is working together to help each other to get the best answers of any question which you want to ask. So let's say one superhero is called Retriever and the second is Generator. So Retriever's job is to search through all best answers which you want to find about your question. They will get all answers from books, websites, and other places to find the most important information. And it's like when you are looking for the answer to a question on the internet. It is like mostly people are using nowadays ChatGPT to solve their problems to get accurate and best answers. So then there is another superhero which I have talked earlier, and this is like a smart AI model such as ChatGPT, a llama that takes information from the retriever and find the best answers, which is helpful for you and it is more accurate than the human written answer. It's like if you ever asked any question from your AI assistant, it will not only give you an answer, but also make sure that the answer is based on best your information available. So why this is so cool? Well, sometimes our AI models don't know everything, but with RAG, we can help them to find the right information that we can use, and that information, they will get that information to give us better, smarter, and more accurate results and answers, especially when AI model does not have all facts in its memory. Pretty awesome, right? So let's talk about that how RAG works. RAG is basically based on retriever and generator, as I have told you earlier. And let's break it down that how RAG actually works step by step. First, we have a retriever, and just think about it like the information detector. The information detector has to detect the objects, has to detect the information regarding the question user asked. So this entity goes on a search mission to find the right answers. It looks through external sources or even big places like Wikipedia. It's searching for the clues based on your question in a giant library or in the internet to find the best information for your answer. So once the retriever has found the most important information, it hands it over to the next member of the team, that is generator. And generator is like a super smart model, which is AI model like ChatGPT, like Llama, and that takes all the clues from retriever and put them together to create really good answers or piece of content for you. It's like when you have gathered all your facts and then you use those facts to write a really strong answer. So in short, retriever finds the best information for you and generator create the answer using that information. So together they make a super powerful team. So now let's take a look at how everything fits together. You can see on the screen, this is a data and it is divided into the content into smaller part. And then prompt is generated, which is used and based on the LLM model and generate the output. So how exactly it works? So it starts with a question or a request. Imagine you are asking your AI assistant something like, what is the smallest or largest mountain in the world, for example. So the first thing that happens is the retriever, and it will just detect the information from your question, just like we have talked earlier. about this that this entity goes out to find the best results by searching through databases or online knowledge sources like Wikipedia or newspapers or other resources based on your question and on the internet. So it looks like more relevant and useful information to answer the question. Once the retriever finds the right information, it sends it to over the generator. You can see over here. It generates the prompt and context. So this answer is much more accurate because it is based on real up-to-date information from trusted resources. So let's see that what tools we need. We need the custom retrieval system, Elasticsearch, APIs and databases, and to generate our responses, we need Llama model and Grok API and Hugging Face. We will get the API from Grok and then use the Llama model to generate our responses, to generate our application, which is based on RAG. So it's time to build a hands-on demo application step by step. First of all, you need to install unnecessary libraries. That is, pip install Grok. It will give you an API key and Llama model. And after authentication on Grok API, you need to create your account and get the API key from your profile and documentation API. So let's see how it works. It's a demo time. First of all, you need to go to the Grok website and it helps to get the API key and allow you to use a Llama model for your application. So go to the developer section, free API key, and here you can create your API key. Just click on it and drag app submit. You need to copy it and your new API key has created and just copy it now and as it will not show you again. So just copy it and done. Okay, here you go. So then what you can do is you can generate your code by using GPT. It will help you to find best answer. First of all, to run our application, we need to install Grok because we are getting API from that. Apart from that, what you can do is you can write over here API key. You can write it over here separately. I'm just pasting over here. So this is what I have pasted. You can just use over here as well. So let's replace it. Okay. So after API key, you need a Llama model. So we are going to the documentation section in the Grok Cloud and then move down over here, models. Yes. So here's a model ID and you can use a model relevant to your task for your application. So here I'm using a Llama model 8B8192 and I have pasted over here. So let's see that how it works. First of all, we need to integrate the API key in our application. And then we need an input to enter our text, our question, which we want to ask from our application. This is basically question answer chatbot we are going to develop. Stored my API key, my model, my message, what I want to ask, and my token in the response. I have stored all the things in my response variable to generate the answer based on my question. So just to display the interface of my application on the Google Colab, I'm using for now to show you. So I'm using ipython.display import display and markdown. So here, this is a Q&A simple application. It is a user friendly. You can see that and response choices message dot content. Let's save it. Yes, here you go. You can see that this is a Q&A session, and the question I have asked, what is a retrieval augmented generation, and it generated the response. Every time you run this code, it will generate a different answer, sir. So now you guys can see that how it works. It it get the information from the internet and give you the best results. So let's say if I ask over here, what is AI? Let's see. Yes, what is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to development computer system that can perform a task which, uh, so you can see that how it works. Thanks everyone for joining the workshop. We will meet another time, another day. Until then, keep hacking and building. Good luck.